I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I
Wake up at 7.
I wash my face every morning. I wash my face.
I make a cup of coffee.
I make
A cup of coffee. I make a cup.
I eat breakfast before work. I eat breakfast before work.
I brush my teeth before breakfast.
I get dressed for work. I get dressed for work.
I pack my bag and leave the house.
I check my phone in the morning. I check my phone in.
It is a beautiful morning today.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
You.